Welcome back to African Village Flavors. Today we're making one of the most flavorful fried rice recipes you've ever seen cooked over real charcoal, right here in the village. We start by preparing fresh, local ingredients. Onions, garlic, ginger, carrots, bell pepper, all diced and ready. That's where the flavor begins. Watch till the end to see the mouth-watering delicious results. Into our pot over charcoal, we add cooking oil, then toss in the onions and garlic. Hear that sizzle? Now add in your spices and a pinch of salt. Next, we stir in our chopped vegetables. Cook them just until they soften slightly. This keeps their crunch and color. Then gently mix in your cooked green peas bit by bit. Now we balance the flavors, mix well and let the rice absorb all the spices and flavors. And just like that, our smoky, perfectly seasoned fried rice is ready. Look at those colors and steam rising off that pot. If this made your mouth water, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to African Village Flavors for more authentic recipes straight from the village. Try it at home and tell me in the comments how yours turned out.